Hello students, how are you? All of you open your English books. First lesson, are you reading? Did you gone through? Daily textbook reading is a must. Open poem 5 Busy Bees. Did you saw bees? What work the bees will do? They will collect honey. Honey, you know, it is very sweet. Bees, from where they will collect this honey? From flowers, right? From flowers they will collect honey. Yes? Did you saw hive? Yes? Beehive, did you saw anywhere? Beside your home or in the garden or in your village? Anywhere? Did you saw? And it will be hanging to the tree. See here. It will be like this, okay? You know everybody? Honey bees. So these bees, what they will do? They go to far places like flower gardens, and from many flowers they collect the nectar. Yes? They'll collect the nectar, and that nectar is brought to the hive, and the hive is filled with the nectar. Yes? Now in this poem, let us read about the 5 busy bees. 5 busy bees. Let us see that what these bees are discussing. 5 busy bees. 5 busy honey bees were resting in the sun. Yes. Yeah, 5 busy bees. Busy means, so what is their work? They are not resting. They keep on continuously working. Without any rest, they keep on working. Yes? How many bees are there? 5 bees are there. So what they are doing? They are working. So busily they are working. What is that work they are working? Moving far places where the flowers are there and collecting the nectar. So that is the major work. So they are very busy in collecting the honey. 5 busy honey bees were resting in the sun. The first one said, "Let us have some fun." Yes, so the first one means among the 5 bees, the first bee is saying that, let us have some fun. Yes, let us have some fun. Fun means what? So by doing the work, when we do work, we will enjoy. Yes, so that is what the first one is saying. When all the bees came out to work, when they are working, what is that work? Their work is to collect the nectar. Isn't it not? So moving far places where the flowers are there, from the flowers collecting the nectar, that is the work they do. Yes, so the first one is telling, let us have some fun. Yes, by doing the work only they can enjoy. Isn't it not? The first one saying, let us have a fun. And the second one said, where shall it be? The second one is saying, where we will get the fun. Yes, where will we get? The fun is not. Fun is what? Gathering the nectar. That is really a happy moment, a fun by doing the work, collecting the honey. Yes, so the second one is asking, from where we will get this what? Nectar. From where this nectar get. The third one is saying, the third one said, in the honey tree. So it is saying that when we go, we have to see that the tree, to the tree the bee hive is hanging like this. So in this, the honey what they have collected, so by filling this, in this honey, they will be getting a great joy, they will be getting. The fourth one said, let make some honey sweet. So the fourth bee it is telling. So how we will get the joy? By doing the work. So what type of work they will be doing? Collecting the honey from the tree, from the trees. And the fourth one, it is telling that honey, whatever they are collecting from the flowers, whatever they are collecting, so that is very, very sweet. By making that honey very sweet, they will be very busy and they will be very happy. The fifth one said, with pollen on our feet. The fifth bee is telling that, so from far these bees are going to collect the nectar, right? They're going very far to collect the nectar where the flowers are there, and they are resting on the flower. See, the bees, yeah, are you seeing? The bees are resting, and these are the pollen grains. So every flower inside pollen grains are there. So the yellowish part, which are thin and having a head-like structures, have like powdered dusty particles, yellow colored dusty particles, like dust it is covering, and these bees landing on these pollen grains and gathering the pollen grain, gathering this dust, nectar it is gathering, sucking the juice of the flower with the feet, and then it will land with the mouth. When they are landing on this pollen grain, it is looking like they are wearing the shoes. Yes, it is looking like they are wearing the shoes. Don't you see this, how it is looking? These anthers are looking like shoes to the bee, isn't it? Yes. So these anthers, pollen grains, these pollen grains are looking like shoes. They are landing on the these pollen grains and sucking the juice from the flower. Yes. Let's make some honey sweet. The fifth one said, with pollen on our feet. So the fifth one, it is telling that pollen, it landing on these pollen grains. They are just looking like the shoes they are wearing. Yes. And the five little busy bees sang their buzzing tune as they worked in the beehive all that afternoon. So these, what is that sound they are making? Buzzing. They are buzzing. Buzzing means, did you heard any time the bees, how the sound they make? Yeah, buzz, zzz sound eating. Isn't it not? Zzz sound they are making. So, while collecting that honey from the flowers, and they are moving back to their hive, making a big sound. Buzzing sound they are making. Buzz, 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 buzz. So like that, the sound they are making and moving to their hive, and whatever they have, honey they have brought, that they will be filling in this hive. Yes, madam? Everybody understood? Once again, shall we repeat? Everybody, repeat with me. Five busy bees, five busy honey bees, were resting in the sun. The first one said, let us have some fun. The second one said, where shall it be? The third one said, in the honey tree. The fourth one said, let's make some honey sweet. The fifth one said, with pollen on our feet. The five little busy bees sang their buzzing tune as they working in the beehive all that afternoon. So in the afternoon, these bees are working, coming out of their hives, and they are busy working, moving to far off places in gathering the nectar from the flowers. See here, blooming. The bees are blooming. Blooming is going around the flowers and collecting the nectar. Yes, so they will whole day they are very, very busy. They are resting means not they are relaxing or sleeping, but they keep on moving and collecting the nectar and going back to their hives and whatever they collected, that they are loading into that hive and again coming back to the flowers. So this is continued whole day. This process is continued. So like that, these bees are very busy whole day and making a big sound, big buzzing, whatever the work they are doing, the collecting the honey, they are buzzing and keep moving and keep working whole day. Understood everybody, children? Yes? So by heart this poem, learn thoroughly. Yes? Did you read? When I am reading, everybody if you read, the words what you don't know also you can able to read out. Okay? Okay, children? So learn this in our next class. I'll ask some questions from the poem. Yes? Now first today, now tell me, what is the name of this poem? 5 busy bees. Yes. So these bees are what type of work they are doing? How they are busy? How these bees are busy in collecting honey? Yes. And how many bees are there? There are 5 bees. So they are discussing among themselves, right? They are discussing among the 5 bees among themselves. They are discussing. So how by doing that work they are enjoying it. Yes. How these pollen grains are looking, Nanu? The pollen grains, how they are looking? These pollen grains are just looking like a shoes to these bees. Shoes to these bees, right? Did you saw these bees anytime? They sting also. Yeah, it will give a lot of pain. Yes? Everybody might have watched it, right? Yeah, but the honey is very sweet. Yes. One second, shall we read, Nana? One time? Okay, everybody read with me. 5 busy bees, 5 busy honeybees were resting in the sun. The first one said, "Let us have some fun." The second one said, "Where shall it be?" Keep your finger there. Yes. The third one said, "In the honey tree." The fourth one said, "Let's make some honey sweet with pollen on our feet." The 5 little busy bees sang their buzzing tune. Yes, buzzing tune, you know. Buzz. Singing means will they sing? No, the sound whatever they are making. The poet is describing. Yes? So they're just buzzing. That is that song they are singing. Yes? There. So what the work, whatever they are doing, they are enjoying that work by buzzing. Yes? As they work in the beehive all that afternoon. All that afternoon. Buzz, 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 buzz. So these bees are all day very busy in doing work. What is that work? Collecting nectar from the flowers. Okay, everybody learn this poem. Okay, everybody understood? We'll see you in our next class. I'll ask the poem. Learn this poem. Thank you.